You're watching EDS TV. Imagine trying to explain to your insurance company that you hit an ambulance. I would love to hear how that conversation goes. The driver had an unprotected left and turned right in front of oncoming traffic. The at-fault driver was supposed to yield and failed to do so, causing them to be at fault. That's the worst U-turn I've ever seen. Even if it was legal, they messed it all up and made it illegal with their buffoonery. Unfortunately, the camera was a victim of a red light runner who had no insurance, so sadly, the camera got the short end of the stick. I can't believe I just saw a cop pull someone over for a terrible lane change. I thought they only enforced speeding laws and driving on the shoulder. Surely that's just a bias, but I rarely see contradictory evidence. The driver throws his drink at the camera's car for whatever reason. There was no lead up prior to this. It seems a lot of people don't like Teslas because there is a ton of footage out there of people vandalizing them for no reason. Not only do they run a red, causing a crash, but then they get out of the car in the middle of the intersection instead of pulling over. Darwin, we got one right here. I'm not sure what the urgency to turn is. Also, I have no idea how the blue car to the camera's left didn't T-bone the idiot. This fool thinks he was Vin Diesel and attempts to drift in the roundabout. Clearly, he fails. At least when they catch him, they won't need to call for backup. I can't see a helicopter, so I'm gonna go with a 4-star wanted level. Never attempt to help someone driving like this. They're either trying to kill someone else, themselves, or they're hopped on something you're not equipped to handle. This kind of stuff makes me unreasonably angry. Who knows what's in that cup? Also, to the person who threw it, the entire world is apparently their garbage dump. Of course, he runs for the exit after he chunks the cup. Tells me everything I need to know about him. It's always smart to road rage with your business contacts all over your van. Quite often, it's usually the owner too. For a distracted idiot, that was a pretty impressive recovery.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Oh, the cops are after him.
Cops are after him?
Yeah, look at this.
Oh my god.
Barney ain't gonna catch him at that rate. I hope he radioed ahead. I just hope the idiots are foolish enough to stay on the freeway for the other cops to set up a trap. Clowns like this don't understand the truth. They are the traffic. There's no driving through traffic because they are the traffic. You can't beat something that you're a part of. He wanted to avoid the red light, so he thought it would be wise to stop completely and aggressively switch lanes without looking. Certain they'd be all upset and waving their arms furiously trying to work out how they could pin the blame on any other person other than themselves had they not had God on their side. Laser focused on getting to the left lane, probably so she can slow down and occupy it.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.